3 days ago, DeepSeek launched V4 Pro, an update designed to compete directly with the most established AI models on the market. This benchmark comparison shows where V4 Pro stands. In the terminal benchmark scores, DeepSeek hits an 87.9, a score that places it slightly ahead of Claude 3 Opus in developer-centric testing. Our goal today is to move past the standard web interface and embed this exact model into your local Visual Studio Code environment at no cost. By eliminating subscription fees while keeping a high-performance assistant in your editor, you change the baseline efficiency of your daily coding tasks. The official DeepSeek platform includes an expert mode for V4 Pro, but using it through the website keeps your workflow trapped in a browser tab, away from your actual code files. Some secondary platforms like Freebuff offer free access, but they often enforce regional restrictions. Depending on your location, you might find yourself limited to the V4 Flash model. To solve this, we will use a token router. It provides a global endpoint that acts as a bridge between the model and your local editor. On the token router dashboard, look for the OpenAI-compatible base URL section. You will need to copy the specific address to configure your extension. Using a router API instead of a web chat ensures that your local software has a direct and stable connection to the model. Now, let's open Visual Studio Code. We need a dedicated extension to manage the connection between the editor and the router. Search the marketplace for Kilo Code AI and click the blue Install button. Once installed, open the Kilo panel in the sidebar and click the gear icon to access the provider settings. Scroll down to the AI Model Provider section and select Connect Custom Provider to start a new profile. For the provider ID, you must use all lowercase letters. If you use any uppercase characters here, the extension will fail to recognize the provider. In the base URL field, paste the token router address you copied earlier. Modifying this URL tells the extension to ignore its default settings and look to the router for all AI processing. The endpoint is now established, but the router requires a secure key to authenticate your individual data stream. Return to the token router portal and sign in using your Google account to access your developer dashboard. Generate a new API key and copy the sequence to your clipboard. Back in VS Code, paste that sequence into the API key field in your custom provider configuration. Finally, open the Model Selection dropdown and choose DeepSeek V4 Pro to map the connection to the correct model. This final handshake securely allows your local editor to utilize high-end cloud compute power for every query you send. To confirm everything is running, look at the top right of your chat panel and ensure Token Router/DeepSeek V4 Pro is active. Enter a prompt like "What is Flutter?" to test the system's responsiveness. The speed of the response here is the first sign that your API connection is properly configured. If you see an error about reasoning content, it typically indicates a temporary state mismatch or an expired token. Simply reselecting the model from the switcher will usually refresh the connection and clear the error. Notice that the model doesn't just provide text, it can generate and organize a complete file structure based on your instructions. Successfully generating this initial structure confirms the setup is functional and ready for your first development tasks. Looking at the generated workspace, you can see how the model parsed the prompt into separate integrated HTML and TypeScript files. Routing through this API also gives you access to a high volume of daily tokens, allowing you to work through complex projects without interruption. By setting up this custom endpoint, you move past the constraints of the browser window. You've integrated a high-performance model directly into your workspace, giving you a powerful tool for your daily coding workflow.